Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of DIY session by Stick on Tech. In today's video, we are going to make a USB hub. A USB hub is a handy way of adding additional USB ports to a setup. The laptops and computers currently available in the market have only 2 or 3 USB ports. If you use a USB keyboard and mouse, you don't have any spare ports to charge devices, hook up an external hard drive, or connect a printer. Here is the scope of a USB hub. So in this video, we will show you how we made this 4-port powered USB hub. The external power can be used for connecting the devices which require more power. Simply, you can build this USB hub at your home. For more details, visit stickontech.com. So hastily, let's get started. Okay, we will discuss the components used in this project one by one. USB Type A female sockets. This is a USB 1.0 socket. The pins on the sockets are plus 5 volt, ground, data positive and data negative. We took 4 USB sockets and mounted them on a common printed circuit board. Each sockets are separated with a 1.5 cm gap for easy plug in the devices. The sockets are firmly fixed on the board. Then we connected all the positive and negative pins with some tiny cables. For easy identification, it is better to use cables with different color. The USB hub controller IC. This is the main part of all USB hubs. The file transfer speed depends on the controller types. Different hub controllers are available in the market with different specifications. For example, different USB standards like USB 2.0, 3.0, etc. Here we choose the controller MW7211A. It's a cheaper hub controller with 16 pins and 4 downstream ports. The circuit is very simple and requires only one passive component. We mounted the controller on a common 28-pin SMD PCB. Pin 1 and 2 are data negative and positive pins of socket number 1. Pin 3 and 4, data negative and positive pins of socket 2. Pin 5 and 6, data negative and positive pins of socket 3. Pin 7 and 8, data negative and positive pins of socket 4. And pin 10 and 11 are data negative and positive of upstream or input pin. We used a piece of PVC trunking as the enclosure. The holes are made according to the design. A switch is provided to select external power. When the switch is off, the default power from the host will flow through the sockets. PCB is mounted on the facing sheet properly. A DC socket is used to connect external 5 volt. An old USB Type A cable is used to connect the input from the host and connected its data pins to data positive and negative input pins on the controller. Then we completed the connections of each socket to the respective data pins. We have provided 2 mm LEDs to identify the presence of power. The LEDs are connected with 330 ohms resistors. The yellow LED for the power from the host USB socket and the red LED for the external power. Finally, we arranged and closed the enclosure. After spray painting, the hub looked like a professional device. For the testing purpose, we have connected the hub with our laptop and plugged multiple flash drives on it. See, all the devices are detected on the laptop. We try to transfer files between the devices. Wow, it works perfectly. If you like to make this project, visit stickontech.com or check out the link in the description. The components we used in the project are also listed in the description. If you are interested, please do like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more tech updates. Thank you for watching.